Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Botswana? Let's explore. Construction jobs are in consistent demand in Botswana, driven by urban growth and infrastructure projects. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker in Botswana is about $7,200, which comes down to roughly $600 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is approximately $6,500, or around $540 monthly. Wages differ based on region, with higher pay in cities like Gaborone and lower wages in rural regions. Experience greatly impacts income. Entry-level workers typically make about $400 per month, while experienced or skilled construction workers can earn over $700. Formal training improves earnings as well. Workers with a university degree often move into higher-paying management positions, while those without degrees usually remain in lower-paid labor roles. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.